Essential steps for a successful online coaching business. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Have you ever heard that before? It is likely that you have heard it many times, and the reason for this is because it is true. If you just jump into your online coaching business, it is not very likely to succeed. In the last video, we discussed how important it is to have the right mindset. So we are going to put that into practice now by helping you strategize your online coaching business. You need a plan, and it needs to be good. Here are the essential steps that you need to take. 1. What do you really want? There is no such thing as a perfect online coach. You can spend months on Google trying to find the perfect way to launch your new online coaching business, and you will not find the right answer. This training will certainly help you, but you need to ask yourself some important questions before you get going. There is no shortage of online training courses that will cost you a lot of money. Although the content in these courses is likely to be high quality, you can never guarantee that it will be the right fit for you. As a starting point, ask yourself, what income do I want to earn each month? How many hours do I want to work on my online coaching business? What kind of contribution do I want to make in the world? Write down full answers to these questions because you're going to turn them into goals. The first is your income goal. The second is your lifestyle goal, and the last one is your contribution goal. When you achieve all of these goals, you will have an online coaching business that rewards you, provides you with the lifestyle you want, and fulfills you. 2. Identify your target market. To succeed as an online coach, you need to serve your clients in a way that the market is not effectively doing so at the moment. You need to know who your target market is and what their pain points are and the problems that they have. It is important for you to align with their desires so that they are delighted to work with you. When you are able to provide effective solutions to people, you will become irresistible to them. They will happily pay you whatever you are asking. Providing the answer to their problems is what you need to be about, so you need to know as much about your market as possible. There are a number of ways that you can do this. You can look for conversations online to discover the problems that your target market is having. Your aim is to know more about your target market than they know about themselves. Then just tell them that you have the answers that they are looking for. Create a plan around this. Find out who your ideal clients are, and find ways to identify the issues that they have. In a later video, we will show you some great ways to find potential clients for your online coaching business. 3. You need to stand out. Until you are able to build a solid reputation as an online coach, you need to stand out from the crowd. This is particularly important if you're going into a competitive market. There's nothing wrong with being in a competitive market. These tend to grow more than other markets do. The best way to stand out from the crowd as an online coach is to deliver solutions that really make a difference to your clients. Make a commitment to develop an irresistible offer to them that solves one of their top pain points. Use your creative mind here and offer the best way to fix their problems. This could be a series of one-on-one coaching sessions, a group coaching session for their employees, a series of training videos for company personnel, and so on. 4. Price your services right. Be committed to providing value to all of your coaching clients. When you have the solutions to their problems, you are in a strong position and you can charge accordingly. Some people will try to knock you down on your price. We recommend that you avoid these people, especially if they are bargain hunters. Never forget that the solutions that you provide can make a significant difference to your clients' lives. If your recommendations will save a business a lot of money, then never be afraid to charge a high price for your expertise. 5. Take action. Don't be a perfectionist. You do not need a website that costs a fortune and takes months to develop. Your website needs to look professional and explain clearly what you do. Anything more than that is just garnish. Being resourceful is far more important than having a fancy website. Think about all the people that you know and tell them that you are launching your new online coaching business. If they do not need your services, then they may know others that do. 6. Set up a support network. Being an online coach can be a pretty lonely business. One of the best things that we recommend you do is to find a good mentor or mentors. There will be times when you are stuck on a problem for a client. With a good mentor in place, it can be a lot easier to come up with the right solution. Did you know that most good mentors have their own mentors too? Well, they do, and it is because nobody knows everything. No matter how much of an expert you are in your niche, there will always be something that you don't know or are unsure of. Make sure that the people around you provide their support to you as well. The support of your spouse and your family is critical. It will also help you immensely if your close friends are supportive as well. 7. Scale your online coaching business. Think of ways that you can scale up your online coaching business. Your focus here should be on providing you with more income and freeing up more of your time. Why not create online training courses where you will share your knowledge with others for a premium? Another thing that you can do is to create an online community for your target market. Instead of them paying you for one-on-one sessions, you can charge them a monthly membership fee to gain access to the community and its valuable resources. In the next video, we will discuss the best ways to deliver your online coaching.